Welcome to the workflow video for HISTO SPOT HLA AB. Today we'll show you the preparation of the HISTO SPOT HLA AB test on the MR.SPOT processor. To set up the test, there are two ways to open your work list. The first option is to click on New on the home screen. Then click on ABS to create a new HLA work list. You can now name your work list and create it by clicking on the blue button. We recommend the second option where you create your work list in the HISTO MATCH software and save it to a USB drive. This ensures that the samples are associated. Simply insert the USB drive with the work list into MR.SPOT Processor. Alternatively, you can send the work list to the processor via LAN. Click on Work Lists in the main menu and simply open it by clicking on the yellow button at the top of the screen. Now we can start with preparing MR.SPOT by following the on-screen instructions. The first step is to insert the test wells into the machine. You can easily scan the barcode on the packaging of the wells to assign the batch. Then insert the wells into the well plate. Now scan all the liquids delivered with the HISTO SPOT AB reagent kit to assign the batches to your work list. Click on the blue arrow to continue and follow the on-screen instructions. Empty the waste tip bag and tick the box when finished. Then empty the liquid waste trough and the water waste bottle. Fill up the water bottle with deionized water and connect the bottle to MR.SPOT. Now prepare the dilute of the conjugate. Take 7 ml of HISTO SPOT buffer liquid and dilute with 70 microliter of HISTO SPOT conjab. Please note, the required volume of reagents depends on the number of samples to be processed. When the conjugate is diluted, tick the last box and proceed to the next step. MR.SPOT will show you how to fill the pipette tip racks by clicking on the symbols. You can now fill the 1000 microliter and the 200 microliter pipette tip racks and lock them in place. Press the blue arrow again to proceed to the next step, which is to load MR.SPOT with all the liquids. Place the plate with the diluted samples on the reaction plate. Insert the ABS reagent container and start with the previously diluted conjugate. Continue with the wash buffer and insert 27 ml into the container. Carefully pour reagents into the container, as any excess cannot be reused and must be discarded. Fill up the water trough with 27 ml of deionized water. And also fill 6 ml of the HISTO SPOT substrate to the container. Now everything is ready and you can start with processing HISTO SPOT HLA AB on the MR.SPOT processor. Close the door and press the green button to run the test. Thank you for watching this workflow video.